Hey everybody, welcome back again to another tutorial which I hope is going to inspire you a lot to upcycle and recycle your old tins. If you like it, then thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Enough for now, let's start.
We could go to California or anywhere you wanna, as long as I'm with you I'm alright. And we don't need the drama, we'll find our own nirvana, so run away with me tonight. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you, and my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you. Let's find something better to hold on to, 'cause we can do anything we want to. And I can't help the feeling that I get when I'm next to you. Ooh, you just gotta make your mind up. Just give me a sign if you want a ride. They don't really wanna know, so we throw away our phones, go Bonnie and Clyde. We could go to California or anywhere you wanna, as long as I'm with you I'm alright. And we don't need the drama, we found our own nirvana, so run away with me tonight. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next.
If you liked it, then let me know by giving me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below. By the way, let me know what you would like to see in the next tutorial. See you there, bye!
And we ain't got nothing, gotta do